wakhe ukuthi kuzoba mfana nentombazana. Ngabantwana abamantombazana kuphela. So I was praying for a boy kahle kahle. I remember when I found out ukuthi boy I was so excited. Ngamnema angakazalwa nokuzalwa ngasho ukuthi hayi lo it's gonna be the next me. I had very high hopes ngaye ngoba ngibona so much of me kuye. I remember mabasitshela ukuthi ngecondition yakho ukuthi uzale without esophagus ukuthi akakhona ukuswallowa. Besingakhona ukunderstand ukuthi yini le and then basenzele isketch basitshengisa ukuthi kunjani because bebamfaka ukudla but babes. I remember baceda umenza first operation. Besingajelani but after basitshela ukuthi alright bam discharge we like ejo bengiplan funeral mama lana nambe ngiplan funeral. Sitshele nozama ukuthi ejo ubona ukuthi ulungisa kanjani ma finances. The funny part ukuthi ever since we plan ama funeral wakhe he kept on fighting, kept on bouncing back. Manje because it was the longest time I hlale ekhaya since azalwa. Mase sije ukuthi sesimjwayele ukuthi umntwana so ifahlupha ngapha senza kanje. Because nokugula kwakhe man njengoba bathi kumagula kwenjani. We have seen the worst before ayenza but this one bekuyinto encane sije ukuthi this one he's gonna survive this one. But I guess impilo ayingathi I control it. But for me now phumlile umfana man. Like I saw him suffer. Awanga getting grip uze bangasatholi ukuthi igazi bazolidonsa baze bakulandela. He had marks both la entameni. He had marks because bese balanda igazi khona. Lo muntu benama operation ay3 alandela naye. Like so many operations. I remember this one time at Blomo. Our doctor basicosha basifaka ku other room. And then the doctor mafika uyafika uthi and then we started crying. Sambuza ukuthi kwenzakalani doctor. It's like hey.
Yeah, hello Mzansi, welcome to Ask Hollywood Pro. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash that like button. Yesterday was funeral service Monday June yamntwana Monday Shang and ugogo Skhotheni, guys. We've seen that kid fighting for impilo yakhe, guys. Simbonile. We know very good, like he was born without an esophagus, and badala bakhe they really fought ukuthi bambona phila, but unfortunately when God says yes, it's yes. When it's time, unfortunately. So may his soul rest in peace. Please subscribe, share this video, comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. So goodbye.